guys, it's me Nyalarey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making another Korean dish, and today it is kimbap. Kimbap is basically rice and other vegetables and meats like rolled into seaweed. You might think it's sushi, but it's not the same thing. I promise it's not the same thing. We're gonna get started. I have everything here that I need. Another thing that I want to preface is that kimbap is made with short grain rice. So when she said short grain rice, I was like, I'm just gonna use the rice that's in my kitchen. I realized that there is a significant difference between short grain rice and long grain rice. The structure of short grain rice makes it easier to stick together than long grain rice would. That's what I read. So I didn't get the short grain rice memo. So I have a bunch of cooked long grain rice here that I'm going to use anyway. This is a mistake. Please do not light me up for it. I learned my lesson. I've learned my lesson. Whatever. Let's just get right into it. So we have a lot of things going on here, right? So the first thing we're going to do is blanch the spinach. Also, my dryer is running right now, so that's the background noise. Please ignore it. Hopefully you guys can't hear it or I edit it out. Please, thanks. Okay, now the water is like boiling hot. I turned it down to medium heat. I have my spinach here. I don't know if I'm supposed to put salt in the water or something, but yay. Does that look blanched? I'm gonna leave this in there for a little bit longer. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, take the spinach out of the water and put it into a bowl, and then we're gonna rinse it off. Then you get the salt and the sesame oil and you mix. I'm going to prep my rice. I saw that you can do this by adding water. I'm gonna put some in the bowl. I'm gonna add probably 3 tablespoons of water to fluff it up because I'm gonna put it in the microwave. That's 1.5 tablespoons and then 3 tablespoons. Now we're going to put it in the microwave. Okay, so I've got my rice here. That's really hot. I'm gonna leave it in the bowl and I'm gonna cover it with saran wrap so that the moisture doesn't leave. Okay, I'm gonna put this off to the side. I'm gonna cut up probably 2 of these carrots, 2 of the big ones. So probably this one. So I'm gonna wash them. I'm gonna cut the roots off. Seriously? You will get this drink if it never shop. So now I'm gonna cut the radish. My mom already cut part of it up for me. It smells so weird. I know it tastes good, but it smells weird. I got this big machete knife. This knife is like 10 times sharper than the knife I was using. Okay. Oops. Those are my radishes. Yay. Oh, I'm so excited. I tried one just now and it's actually pretty good. The instructions are in English and I'm not fluent enough in Korean to know what the hell is going on. Now, I'm gonna take these out. They're actually covered in plastic, like individually. I'm just gonna unwrap them. I'm gonna try to cut them into thirds because I don't actually know how much I need. Can you see better now? Kind of, okay. I'm gonna cut up some cucumber. I have to wash it first. I did already make my egg because I didn't want you to see it turn out as a disaster. So this is the perfect egg that I made. Okay, those are finished. So, as you can see, we have everything. We have cucumbers, we have eggs, we have the spinach, we have the crabs, we have the carrots, and we have the radish. So basically, I made the mistake of not salting my carrots because the water was supposed to leak out of the carrots. But I have to stir fry them now. I want to see if I can do the thing. I definitely dropped 2, 3, a lot. So I'm just gonna throw this in this container. Now I'm going to make one on camera for you guys, like a proper one. I've had a lot of trial and error because I actually made quite a few off camera. First, we've got the seaweed. You take the brush into some sesame oil and brush it over the seaweed. So I've got my rice, super soft. So I'm gonna put some here. I just flatten it out a bit. So we've got it all good. I'm gonna put eggs in it first. I put 2 of the egg strips in it, down to that end and down to that end. And then I take some of the spinach. I'm gonna put some crab in it. They be breaking up. You gotta be careful with them. And then some sweet radishes or whatever. We're gonna take some 2 cucumbers and then some carrots to top it off. Kind of want more carrots. We're gonna spin it. Oopsie. Damn, this was huge. I shouldn't have made it that big. Okay guys, so I'm finally finished. I checked the footage and it looks like I've been in the kitchen since 5:58 p.m. It is now 10:19. So I finished. I ate a lot of it while I was making it. Even though I already know what it tastes like, I'm going to eat some now with the soy sauce. So that is what it looks like on my plate at the moment. I've got my chopsticks. So you take one and then you put it in the soy sauce and it looks like that, and then you eat it. Oh my god, oh my god, very tasty. I've now switched out the soy sauce for the sesame oil. Oops, oh crap, but yeah. That was so good. Let me not talk with my mouth full. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Now I know next time I will use short grain rice instead of long grain rice because it definitely gave me a ton of problems. It was very fun making this, even though it took me 4 to 5 hours. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.